Previously, we walked through creating your voice AI agent, adding your knowledge base, and integrating your external tools. In this video, we'll talk about connecting a phone number to your agent and taking it live. This is an appointment scheduling AI agent we created for booking doctor visits. Once your agent is ready, click Publish to activate. To link a phone number to this agent, go to Settings, open Platform, and choose Phone Numbers. Plivo lets you buy phone numbers directly on the platform. No extra setup or integrations needed. Click on Buy a New Number. Choose your number type, local, toll-free, or mobile. We have a list of phone numbers across different countries that you can choose from. Enter a city, area code, or location keyword. You will see a list of available numbers associated with that area or location. Pick the one you like and click Next. Give your number an alias and attach your newly created agent flow. And that's it. Your number is set up and connected to your AI agent. Now, share this number across your customer touchpoints for easy appointment booking. From this point on, your AI agent manages every appointment automatically. No humans in the loop. Let's make a quick demo call to this number to see the agent in action.
Hello, I'm here to help schedule your doctor's appointment. May I know your email address and phone number?
Sure. My email ID is danielSmith@mindloop.com, and my phone number is 825-209-6373.
Great. When would you like to schedule your appointment?
How about tomorrow at 2 p.m.?
Perfect. Your doctor appointment has been successfully scheduled for the 21st of November at 2 p.m. I've sent confirmation details to your email and phone number. Anything else I can help you with?
If you no longer need a phone number, select it, click Delete Number, and you're done. Now that you've taken your first agent live, check out this next video on how you can build an SMS AI agent with Plivo.